Tested mic 1212. My song for Madiana, what two motor the general, aka social media president. Friday be about 4 to 6 p.m. Mete Angela FM. What you say? Mene act the unpredictable. Most haunted radios. About Kumasinya no anyo be open radio host or wanted that. Act the unpredictable. Never know what you say. Mete na say baby. Why be my baby? Ajemi Nyankopon what you say. It didn't want to subscribe to my YouTube channels. Who video now and subscribe ya Jack. Where you John what I say. Subscribe, leave your comment and share. Many artists juma day in and day out. What I say. And then remember baby I say mamba but ma oba afront kwano so na okobo won. Ope fufu dia feel good. E fufu odi ase. E mo na odi. Ope so odi fufu feel good na ebotima odu awuram na pe baby di define. Ope so wasa da so a. Omo room so for that kama. Na me mo de nyina Qwame Sticka super. Why ni nyina ye ka Qwame Sticka obi say me no te wan ma ne hu nipa kura ye o se ye benya sika ne ye benya sika china ye benya obasi
o se last year me kai ye fresh so me kwa ba for line ye kwa tu o se kwa me ye se da ma ye hye ne me hu ne mu ntutu okura tu me chia fu o dwen se da for me kom ne ho kire me fon okura maton school ya nko ye se mapon wo funu bu bed ya homa se me kon o se kwa na eboa peda na emu odu ahoma
ade so
afura busia pani ya wo kam wo se mfura me na se me kom wanto this year ye pie apro ne bayi tini wakanti ne me best metima bia agitire ma 20,000 upon the jetri benya sika ne di ya
benya sika
one guy ya if you come say
one
atonsu to be precise
okay
ba me nyini wo kronom
meba let's say ye wo atonsu
wo mo
Mississippi
atonsu
na wo benyini wo kronom e de na wo ba kronom
Oklahoma honom na me papa ete honom na me papa free ntino ahaya na me no ma boil ya
na oledi ne wo atonsu okay but e ma won free kronom oledi ntie ma wo free atonsu what you say that's it let's atonsu na ye wo ho na ma wo hia ye Paluta na
e be kin yeah he's a brother
okay
yeah he grew up from time me ankasa no me na me yakobolo me na me ntene fi
so wo mum yakobolo ntene fi no the stay house
akwantu sem the boom so after school akwantu sem the boom ntene na we say the koko hasakaka yeah you know from then yentamute from the time akwantu no boom
no reach ya be now
that was I think the year 2018
is it 2018 ane Paluta and
said that kakra
oh because of a point to nya bufu nya ntoko
no baby but me say bow down and Qwame check me could do 2 years but me say bow down me say na on say ono an grew me from music the time and now
let's say ye ka Qwame Sticka ye Paluta ba no
I be nyane ba no like we are brothers
okay
if I say busuya but ono maame and maame
by ba music mu dey on na grew up
ba music mu a me kan say ono na obo me so
shout out to man like Paluta baby obia Sticka say too or brother enya agoro kura Sticka me monyom no to fom no minya entie bi o mosem say okwaje o cat e do cat to kwan no kuro be no mamente ye benye sika nya no to fom na ye sika bi ba e na one Paluta waje o cat mami hu san ko no be se beti ase
Yahitte and then kasama main clear this song a lot of ups and downs a lot of komo bebre na meti from different
angles
okay. But the real truth and it was a conversation between me and my brother Ken. He was like, bro, this is the song banger. You brought the song though, but I want to be the one to release the song.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, cool. That time I'm releasing on me friend film. Who be the rap god? Who be the rap lord? Na Sticka me a beast and I'm coming like Python. Sit on. Wait, let me jump on this song. I will you to go to.
Only as only king the same attacking flow is out.
Yeah, because I'm coming from the
camp. And I say Paluta. It's to come on within so can come
yeah, so yeah, no you know on one or hit him say bro. Anyway, let me be the one to release the song because me release it no now. I know say I have numbers and it will surely
blow.
Yes, make it because I know na kasa could have some spiritual vibe like motivation message, you know. Yeah, I also agreed say oh bro, any release no. So he did as we planned. And they said my coach me cut. But later no, or release no. Crowd nina Nicodine that she said, being a brother, I didn't want to even go there and explain things for people like to understand.
Yeah,
we in a tear and because the enemy come on,
what do you see?
Wow.
Let's say, and some of can watch me.
Yeah,
one way you may your eye.
May many but no, Yahitte, and Casadia, yeah.
Oh, now, Paluta can't even sit somewhere else and say,
because I've watched some interview with him and Zion Felix. He was even saying, say, Qwame Sticka the day on the bar studio or Hormone on the bar, and that's true.
Your brother is being grateful to you day in and day out.
Yeah, me per se, you know, I'm the type of guy I don't open up. Said you're only meeting I know macho. You being a family too, maybe macho. But one thing is say. The whole world is listening. The whole world is want to hear the story about
your side and his side.
And the beef, and there's some Jimmy cat. And understanding the buy, and I'm a man release it, and the song is a banger. It's a hit.
Wow.
Glory need back for Yemi now. On when you be nebi. Though, I feel I'm a say yes, please she does. So me,
over me now,
over me now, who said they are to generate something.
Paluta Eddie we Qwame Sticka 1-on-1 no anye watomuto anwan ne de kwakofo we nyina be ensam no TV se me kai wa smile chen say eh yes wa gene cat ka kum na ni be man munyamfo koku no ono na yi na no say bibia sa ni ho ono ken so montam e good so montam e good ya when are you guys releasing another track
on say enum Yahitte no the song the title no Yahitte but you can word you benya oba sima so there was another song me no say after Yahitte na no po ye ansa na ye be ye Yahitte no
okay
but ye no no it's called oba or say oba we mama na busuafo aso ate oba no oba we di wutumi a me kwantia de oba no Oba we won se na duane ase ahye oba no oba we de masatra kra ma hiase oba we me pese de wode mu de twane na ase oba we wotimi twi ma de bi kam twa ahye oba we da oba no eye enuma etoa Yahitte no so to introduce ye benya oba sima ni natina.
Okay, this is a full story.
Yeah. I was.
So is that one coming or?
I was wanting already. Just, we didn't shoot a video for it because of the
banter. No?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And there was a misunderstanding. No, me per se no. It be behind me because I was there and I saw a video popping up. Say my brother. And Ken, Qwame video. They were doing another remix.
Now that's me.
And I said, that's would be a problem.
Without your consent.
Me consent like you should talk to me at least, a brother. Me na me den Abba. And I mean a yamenyum. And I yanyum. Until yanyum no dear. Why do the verse at us? Say, 2 minutes, say, me bow. Na say and I say my bus studio na me be yenyum na me say enyum no yenye ni say na wo 2 verse shim na 2 verse shim me but automatically enyum ne be yawdi say embe yawdi ya that means untimi mfa machi emfa nyum no mfa na obi nkoye rebels wa bra enyum ne ye me media
Matewa se Qwame
aria
Sticka fe na Matewa se benase na je say me dem nyum ba studio watch idea na ya nyum na ba bonti ti say wo be say wo de nyum no koye Bibia, you need to inform me. Even me be a brother cry, you should have talked to me. Let me bless the song. Say, oh bro, go ahead. There's not an issue. We ain't problem, but I ain't because me crank behind me. Me fancy me am tell you. Me crank behind me say, menum na ebe wi ase na pe collaborate that so no me cause na me na. The funny thing is what to nyom no. Na say bia ye remix. Me ne Amrado. Strong man I remix. Paluta on it. Another remix ya ye wi nti si ye na say osane obi be ye remix a say anya me na me ne obi ye remix a fine say me kra me ma on kwan dia wutimi ye ba wan bisa me at least it doesn't Sticka yen kind of control and let's call the spade Ken say sana mo sem no kosi ye dia Definitely, I'll meet you one-on-one. And I know it's also the also point of view, but come on, Qwame Sticka channel. Oh, if you didn't hear what Tomato the General, or hear what Tomato TV, you subscribe, leave your comment and share. Me ne Qwame Sticka one-on-one at TSC. She the same you made so a buff for better Roma. Came as a star, Bilo trees. Oba ye Kumasiko, your man, any loto na jack. What actually? We did billions of cities came as a bit. Our front to Boko Janshi when I travel Qwame Sticka. She say no. In fact, Paluta, my Yahitte right now, are you in the studios? Are you preparing something on your own?
Right now, my release album contains 10 songs called Gifted.
Album?
Yes. That album to we release you and you know me the album nankasa to me baby boy. This is the song.
And you know definition.
Yes.
It's all about your baby boy.
No nankasa no album.
This is a one day gifted. Wow, so did the Dean a full album. And tell them also 10 songs.
Yeah.
Do you have some features on it?
Yeah, I have features. Like the first song I did with that is Odo Mickey J. Yeah. Shout out to man like Mickey J. I did that song
with Mickey J.
He's a Accra-based Ghanaian artist.
Accra-based Ghanaian artist.
Yes. Wow. And I did the second song is Thank You.
Okay.
It's featured with Kwasi
Broni. Shout out to man like Kwasi Broni.
He's also a Ghanaian artist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Based in Accra.
Wow.
And I did the third song is called Be My Girl.
Be My Girl.
Yao Jenfi. Featured Yao Jenfi.
Shout out to man like Yao Jenfi.
Fourth song is Hello. Mickey J, the same guy.
Same guy. Okay.
One with Hello. Then the fourth is called Beyi. Yeah, Beyi. I say Sawanye Yang Fan Share Beyi. Yeah, and also wow. Album.
I know what is featured with someone.
No, that song. I have. After Beyi, I drop. You should go and listen.
A new album is out called Gifted from one our own Qwame Sticka. Go all the social media platforms. Streaming platform. Streaming tight. When your features maybe also Qwame Sticka is here to stay. He's here to stay. Yani baba no buy. One man no buy no. Obi am promote Qwame. Say no music here we so no. What's your challenge in this music industry?
My challenge is Ghanaian. You see, this music industry, so the funny thing is the moment you drop the song, I say a little while then and I say obeti nipa no kranka yes nyomo no atwam that dey na e wo Ghana for and only idea
a general problem.
Yes enye me nko a ade high ni na
say ka wo pese ko mo enjoy tune
total. You see, Yahitte is still making wave. From last year, we dropped the song last year, it's still making wave. This year too, it's still banging.
Form. Yahitte or form pa.
Yahitte. And after me album we Gifted, me release another song called Something Must Kill a Man.
Something Must Kill a Man. No better me vibe kakra bi man and I say no.
Yeah, I say Yankofia wa hihye dwuma to me trim. Was when your men system if I'm something funny trim. Broken heart ya team bebrebe this year dey me free. Broken heart when ya me behwe yo mizrim. Was me gina puno na chi na mi bom say kokokokokoko my dear bi me na wo do ye me de. Hey, that ram ho fe dwama na see yanko ni boko. Enti yantutu promo star baby go do am soko. Ooh, something must kill a man. Ooh, something must kill a man. Hey, one up a penny, kamiko miano. Hey, one up a penny, kamiko miano. Me jina prona china mi bomu se koko my dear me na odo ya me de. That's it, but I won't pay down and I see young corner. It's yantutu promo star baby good do soko. Ooh, something must kill a man. Junior Qwame Sticka.
Why a new one? A new one out, no. You mean it tight, man?
Yes, Something Must Kill a Man is coming soon and it's on the pipeline. It's almost about to be released. It's
Sticka.
almost 99%.
Oh, yeah, now whatever.
This song was actually recorded by Bosu in Accra.
Okay.
I'm in Accra, so it was a story concerning a girl or a guy who is about to or who went to go and see his girlfriend.
Okay.
Now challenges I will go through. The real Ebusiafono and then you go through. Something must kill a man. The guy wants to do, and I wanted to do anything for a girl, but still now when it's Ebusiafono still so they can do anything to you. And later I got to a point that they had to grab me, tight me, do anything to you. You go, wow, man, worry, relax, man.
The full story
with video, audio, everything is coming out soon.
And lyrics video as well. And then
watch out for that.
lyrics
Everything
video.
is coming.
Qwame Sticka me dey. I no go lie you. Nya otia na make show. What me obi tie wa. Who can Paluta wo. The way I attack beat. The way we use one seven. Big man, I no go lie you.
Kai me fresh wo ye abey for line ye call to. Was say Qwame ye said my yeshi me huni muntutu okura to me share fu. Oje said that for me come ni ahoche na me fon okura maton. Mrs. Who yan call ye say my pon ofunu mu bed ya homa say me pon. Was say hwan na epoa ye pagya na emu odu hwan na esoa. Ofra busua pani a wo pɛ mo say me for them na say me kwantoa. This year ye kofie abro no be ye ntini wa kakire me no be se me bia ma chitira ma 20,000 ma bonde 3. Ye benya sikane, ye benya sikachina na ye benya obasima sima ne datina. Omunya yanka ya tete, omunya yanka ya. And so Yahitte,
and I want to know
Yahitte.
Big up.
You will see King Paluta in me because, like I said, dope nation. Now almost sounded to say 7. For the
that you almost sound say EL. That's because I'm going for
they are coming from the camp of
EL. And I
so me coming from the camp of King Paluta, there's no way you can see King Paluta from the system.
Come, right now, what do you need from Ghanaians?
I need their support. I want them to support me.
Wow.
Any ways that they can support the brand Qwame Sticka, they should support me because I have a lot of packages, a lot of things installed in me that I want to give to them. What you say? There is a lot of things I'm person with my for my family. What you say? Me the money now, so they should invest. They should do what it takes to put the brand Qwame Sticka, support the brand Qwame Sticka. Follow me on social media. Push me no. Who bibia, who me no man, who bibia. Waso na obi nso nya den. And waso. That's it.
Now wow. I'm sure. Stick our last words.
My last word is say it goes to everybody who is coming from underground.
I understand.
Every underground artist. You should do what you like. Do what you love. I want to make sure. They are all pay, they are all dog, sir. They are all pay, and they are all dog. I'm not personal. Let me be control. So we can do it. And with God.
One-on-one with Qwame Sticka. And then here, what two motor the general social media president. Came as a stabilo choose and a summer sema and the minute king. And many Qwame Sticka abetre din come out. Medika catcher say ebotima and I'm tea on very tight and dope. Oba and Sam. Bow, I say, Obi Afano, Obi Apatana, you know. What to be only about buy a Mako, Mako Daniano. Almost forgetting the deal on how to spell it. So spell the name for them. And Qwame Qwame.
Qwame and a Sticka Stike. Social media handles. Facebook Qwame Sticka, YouTube Qwame Sticka, Instagram, Twitter, all the handles
Qwame Sticka and Qwame so spell ya mamu. Okay, we are Sticka, we will meet again.